It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. It's hard to breathe.
Famous Roblox YouTubers who will be
The broken home, there's no control. He just lets his emotions go.
My avatar costed over 10,000 Robux. I'm better than you.
No, you're not.
Huh?
Let me explain. The point of a Roblox avatar is to express yourself in a way that is unique to you. I personally spent only 150 Robux for my avatar, and now almost everyone recognizes it as Koofy. If you need to spend more Robux for your avatar, then that's fine. Just don't try too hard to fit in like this guy.
That's something a poor person would say.
Shut the fuck up, you nasty bitch.
My avatar.
I've been here 60 years and I'm still not bored. There's absolutely nothing that I can't afford. And I found that almost everything is...
Why Poppy Stopped Being a Bear. Subscribe and like before she reaches the top.
This red panda thought the Rock was a predator, so it tried to scare it off. And his battle stance is the cutest thing ever. This red panda thought...
And this one is for the champions. I ain't lost a time again, yeah.
Funny how you said it was the end. You know we did it again. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul.
So if I do not
Never have I ever Roblox. Never have I ever watched the Jito on the toilet. Bro, wait, what is this question? Who's gonna put I have or why are you guys watching? Bro, this is unsanitary. Why are you watching my videos on the toilet? Never have I ever made out with my best friend. Bro, what? Never. Oh, I misclicked. It looks like I misclicked. Did you use my best? No! Never have I ever slept with... What the Bro, what is this? What? Oh, people are crazy in this server, man. Wait, what's this? Never have I ever have killed someone else and blame it on somebody else. Well, I never killed someone. Wait, but everyone puts funny answers. Okay, I'll put I have, dude. Let's see. What? Bro, wait, why? Hey, why they blame this on me? No. You getting arrested? But weren't they saying the worst things ever before? No, I'm reporting you. No. Never have I ever blown up a house. What? No. No, what? No, please. No. Why is everyone putting I have? You guys are crazy. Never have ever liked and subscribed right now. Guys, do this right now, please. Please. Never have I ever...
I love you, Messi!
Cristiano Ronaldo, Suey.
I love you, Messi!
I'll say goodbye, see you. Though it's the end of the world, don't blame yourself. No, and if it's true.
Minecraft?
but I can't do anything.
Stell dir vor, du stirbst bei einem Autounfall. Dann begegnest du einem übernatürlichen Wesen, vielleicht Gott. Du fragst, ob du gestorben bist.
Get ready to mark.
I swear.
Mark.
Alright, right there.
No!
Oh my god, you almost hit.
Oh my god! Get ready to mark.
I swear.
Mark.
Alright, right there.
No!
Oh my god, you almost hit.
Oh my god!
Here we go!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
You tripping, bro. You
Here we go!
3 reasons why you
Oh, there he is. Psych! Oh! Psych! Oh my goodness! Get psyched, kid! Oh my good. Oh! I just deflected him! Wait, I heard it again. Wait, what the? Oh! Psych! Oh my. Bro, are there more? Oh my, so much psych! Oh, bro, there's OP splash! I'm gonna have to grab your balls, dude. I need to just. Alright, but anyways, that was really unexpected right there. Is that it? Bro, are there more monsters? I hear something. Can I stop that? Oh, it stopped the train! No way! This new update is OP chat. Dude, I cannot lie to you guys.
Every time I eat at my table, this squirrel stares at me and makes me feel bad that he doesn't have a table to eat at. Well, not anymore.
Bitches suck my dick, cut my swag on the 100. Down in Ohio, swag like Ohio. Down in Ohio.